Hey guys, last week I did a demonstration for you where I did a huge, gigantic Scribble Vision. The paper was 3 feet by 4 feet. Well, I've gotten another huge honking piece of paper. I've actually taped it over the original piece of paper, but this is good old like Arches paper, 3 feet tall, 4 feet wide. Last time, if you remember, I came up with some really groovy, cool stuff, a froggy guy over here, a praying mantis kind of deal. There's an owl, a big old Picasso head, and this groovy little chipmunk over here. The cool thing about Scribble Vision, you never know what you're gonna find hiding in the scribble. It could be anything. So today I'm gonna do another Scribble Vision for you, and I had a thought. What if you had something in your brain before you started your Scribble Vision that you were kind of seeking out or looking for? So this is just an experiment. I'm going to do this today. I'm going to do my big scribble on here, but what I'm going to be thinking about today is birds. All right, I'm going to be on a seeking mission for birds. Hopefully I'll find some. If not, I'll just let the drawing take over and be whatever it's going to be. But I'm going to be looking for birds today. So after I do my layer of loop-de-loop and circular lines, I'll probably do a few extra like angle lines, which would be more like a beak. But anyway, we'll see how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll get going in just a second here. All right, so that's what I found hiding in this Scribble Vision. This one took me about 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes. I have to say it was a little trickier trying to find a topic like birds. It slowed me down a little bit. I just had to think a little bit more. There are a couple of times where you saw I had to add some extra lines in a few areas, so I had more lines to find things hiding in there. But of this, what I think I like the most, it's kind of a tie. I really like this big beaked, super silly looking bird right here. I may go back and change the direction that the eye is looking, but this, really love that guy, and I saw him, at least the beak and the head, almost immediately. But this bird was really kind of fun. This guy almost looks like he's swimming down a river or something, but this bird was really cool. This guy's okay. I thought it was kind of neat. I saw this little wormy snake and I thought, sure, birds eat worms, so I'll put him in there. This guy was kind of fun, found him at the end. I'm not so sure how much I like this one, but he's in there, so he's part of the drawing. So the next thing I'll do is I'll erase a bunch of these other lines or lighten them up a little bit, and I think I might come through and actually I might put some watercolor or some kind of light color on this to kind of see what one looks like with color in it. And if I do that, I will be sure to film it so you can follow along with me as I do it. So thank you very much for watching my Scribble Vision number 2, The Quest for Birds. Ooh, I just made that title up. How perfect. So Scribble Vision 2, The Quest for Birds, and this is how it turned out. Thanks, you guys. Now grab a pencil and a piece of paper, do your own Scribble Vision, and make some art. Bye.